students, good morning everyone. This is the revision lecture related to class 9th physics, gravitation chapter, and in this lecture today we will discuss about the relation between small g and capital G, and also we will discuss about the variation in acceleration due to gravity, how the acceleration due to gravity changes when we just move from place to place or when we just going above the earth surface, I will say that altitude, and when we are just going down the earth surface, I will say that in depth. So in all the three cases we will discuss in details, and just before the variation, see the concept of relation between small g and capital G. So small g and capital G relation very easy. When the concept of Newton's law of gravitation and the force of gravity in the terms of Newton's second law are clear, then the relation between small g and capital G will be very easy. Just see, by Newton's law of gravitation, F is equal to what? Capital G, capital M, small m upon r square. Here capital M, that is mass of earth. Capital G, gravitational constant, r means radius of earth. Just see the diagram concept here. This is the earth, and here a body of mass m raised. Whenever then we are using at some height, but here we have to calculate only the relation between small g and capital G. So the body held on earth surface. See, this is radius and this is mass of earth, center here O. So this is the force of gravitation, and by Newton's second law, F is equal to mg. This is the force of gravity acting on body having mass m, that is mg. So equating these two forces, because these two forces are the concept of Newton's law, here by gravitation and here by Newton's second law. So these two forces will be approximately equal. So equating both from 1 and 2, mg is equal to what? Capital G, capital M, small m upon r square. This m cancel out. So small g is equal to capital G, capital M upon r square. This is the relation between small g and capital G. Very easy relation. So just note down all. Very simple concept. Then after this relation, the next one concept is what? Variation in G. Variation in acceleration due to gravity. First of all, just note down here G is acceleration due to gravity, capital G, that is gravitational constant, M mass of earth, r means radius of earth. So just after this, the next one is what? Variation in acceleration due to gravity. Variation in acceleration due to gravity. Total three cases are in three ways. We can explain how the value of acceleration due to gravity changes. Just see number one. Here this is the variation in G. Number one, shape of earth. How affect the value of gravity? Just see how the shape of earth affect the value of gravity. Because the shape of earth means what? That is the oval shape. It is the oval shape. Here this is the equatorial radius and this is the polar radius. And equatorial radius, that is greater than the polar radius. As we know, small g is equal to capital G, capital M upon r square. So small g inversely proportional to r square. It means when radius increases, then gravity value decreases, and when radius decreases, then gravity increases. Clear? It means when radius of Earth increases, then acceleration due to gravity, decreases, and vice versa, It means vice versa, just opposite. When radius decreases, then gravity will be increases. Radius of Earth decreases, then acceleration due to gravity increases. Very simple concept. Then after this first, the next one is effect of altitude. Let's see second one, altitude concept. Let's note down, very easy concept. Second one, just after first. Altitude. Suppose a body of mass m raising up to height h above the Earth's surface. Just see, this is the Earth's surface and radius of Earth, that is capital R, whenever raised up to h height. Here mass of object m and mass of Earth capital M. Here body whenever lies at B, then gravity will be representing by small g, and whenever body raised up to height h at point A, then gravity will be representing by g dash. So at point B, g is equal to capital G capital M upon R square, equation number 1, and at point A, g dash is equal to gm upon r plus h, because up to B that is r, but above B and up to A that is h, so r plus h. The total distance of A from O, that is r plus h. Clear? So r plus h whole square in denominator. So make this one equation number 2, dividing second by first. So g dash upon g is equal to g dash and denominator, so will be in denominator also r plus h whole square, and numerator this one will be shifted r square. So g dash is equal to, by this g dash is equal to g r square upon r plus h whole square. Clear? This is the formula for calculating the variation in acceleration due to gravity. G dash is equal to g r square upon r plus h whole square. Clear? So after this there is some changes in the calculation when h is less or less than r. It means height of the object raised, that is very least value comparison to radius of Earth. It means 100 meter or 500 meter or nearly 1 kilometer, no matter. All these, it means up to 10 or 15 kilometer, because the radius of Earth 6400 kilometer, and when you take 1 kilometer or 2 kilometer or 10 meter or 100 meter, then the value will be what? Negligible. So we will use what? Different formula. So g dash is equal to g r square in numerator, taking common here r, then will be outside the bracket what? R square 1 plus h upon r whole square. R square cancel. Then then this one will be g in numerator whenever shifted, then 1 plus h upon r, power will be what? Minus 2. Clear? Very simple concept. This is the concept of exponent. Whenever denominator shifting into numerator, then power will be what? Minus. If in denominator power 1, then in numerator will be minus 1. In denominator 2, then in numerator will be minus 2. Then after this, we will apply the mathematical concept, that is kept by binomial, and we will apply only minus 2 at the place of plus, up to only 2 step, because in this calculation we are using directly the implementation of what? Binomial theorem. So no need to learn about binomials in details. Only one learn, you have to adjust minus 2 at the place of plus. Let's see. So g dash is equal to what? G 1 minus 2h upon r. This is the formula for variation in gravity whenever body raised up to h height, and the height is what? Very less comparison to radius of earth. So note down all. Very simple. Then after this, the last one, effect of depth. Effect of depth. When the body going down up to d depth, then how the variation in gravity calculated. Very simple concept. Effect of depth, number 3rd. You see, this is the earth shape, and body is just going from surface to d depth. Surface to d depth. Suppose the body is at point A, and then after going up to d depth, body reached at B. Then further making the sphere concept, and body reached at point B, and here the radius is what? R. And this one remaining distance will be r minus d. R minus d. So see the concept of gravity at point A and at point B. We have to calculate what? The concept of gravity at point A and at point B. At point A, that is g small, and at point B, g dash. So we have to obtain what? G dash concept. Let's see, at A, g is equal to gm upon r square, equation number 2. Not 2, 1. First 1 and then 2. But just before making the equation, we have to utilize the concept of density and volume, because mass, that is a well known formula, density is equal to mass upon volume. Mass upon volume. Clear? And here density is equal to mass upon volume. If rho is the uniform density, rho is the uniform density, density of earth, density of earth, then mass is equal to density into volume. Volume, that is spherical shape having radius r, means what? That is capital G, and volume 4 by 3 pi r cube rho density, and r square. Then r square cancel out. Then will be what? G is equal to 4 by 3 pi g r rho, equation number 1. Clear? Similarly, at point B, g dash is equal to 4 by 3 pi g r minus d into rho, because radius at point A r, but for at point B will be what? R minus d. Clear? So make this one equation number 2. So dividing 2 by first, dividing second by first. So g dash upon g. R term will be cancelled out, only r minus d, and here r will be remains r minus d upon r. Clear? So r minus d upon r means that is 1 minus d upon r. 1 minus d upon r. So g dash is equal to g 1 minus d upon r. This is the formula for variation in acceleration due to gravity whenever we are just going down the d depth below the earth's surface. Then this one. And if d is equal to what? R. It means at the center we are just going. Then depth will be equal to radius of earth. Then r upon r 1 and 1 minus 1 0. Then gravity will be what? 0. So note down all. Very important conclusion. This one conclusion is not only important for class 9th standard. This is also important for class 11th standard. So that's all for today. Have a nice day.